there's some obvious ways of limiting your water usage, like taking shorter showers, minimizing baths, not leaving the water on while you're brushing your teeth. Let's talk about the even more impactful and significant money-saving ways that you can reduce your water waste exponentially. Some of them you may have heard of, like energy-efficient appliances, such as clothes washers, dishwashers, refrigerators. These appliances can decrease household water waste by 30 to 50%. A high-efficiency washing machine on its own could save an average household 1,475 gallons of water a year. Compare that with your water bill. Another water-saving upgrade that's a little easier on today's wallet is low flow fixtures. These include sink faucets, shower heads, and toilets. Installing low flow faucets in your home reduces water waste by about 30% and could save you as much as 700 gallons of water a year. Toilets, for instance, are one of the largest water wasters in the average home. They use as much as 7 gallons per flush. With a low-flow toilet, it uses a mere 1.6 gallons per flush. That's a big difference. The average American uses 3,000 gallons of water a month. As much as 70% of that is used outdoors on lawns and gardens. I could easily go on a tangent about plants to introduce to your water-conscious garden and tips on watering based on season, location, and weather, but we don't have time. That's enough for a whole nother video. So instead, I'm going to tell you about gray water systems. Imagine none of the water that goes down the drain in your house is ever wasted. Crazy, right? Actually, it's not so crazy at all. When you install a gray water system in your home, it takes all of that otherwise wasted water from sinks, bathtubs, and washing machines, filters it, and recycles it again to be used to water your lawn and or garden. Gray water systems can save a single-family home about 2,600 gallons of water a year. That's a lot of water saved. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want any information about any of the topics that I've talked about, I've put some different links down in the description for you to explore further. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share with friends and family. Leave a comment below with suggestions for what topic we should do next here at The Energy Geek. Thanks for watching, bye!